You can build your dream project such as ESP32 drone. So let's get started. But before that, you must have these three things. First is ESP32 board. Second is good quality USB cable. Otherwise, it will keep your ESP32 resetting. Third is Arduino app. Now open Arduino and here you have to go in the file preference like this file, and in preference you have to paste the link which I have already given in the description or in the comment section, just like this. And then you can see some sources are downloading the package of the ESP32 and you can see it is downloaded. Now go to tools and here you have to select the board manager, and after pressing it you have to write here ESP32. And here you can see the ESP32 by the company name. You have to download it there, and I have already installed it, so I am not going to install it again. So now I will connect my ESP32 with my laptop. After connecting your ESP32 with your laptop, you have to click on this icon. Now here I am, if you don't know your COM port, then you can select anyone right now. For now you can select anyone, and now just search for Do It Dev, and yeah, I have find it that Do It ESP32 Dev Kit V1. You have to select this, and then you have to select any port which shows USB in beside. So in my laptop, COM4 is showing me USB, so I will going to select that, and then I just have to press OK. And then you can see in my laptop it is showing in downside Do It Dev ESP32 on COM4. Means my ESP32 is now successfully connected to my laptop COM port 4. So now I will be going to upload any example code for testing it. Now for testing it, just go to here, file and examples, and then you have to upload the basic blink LED code for testing our setup. So here I am finding a blink LED code here, and just it has opened a new window. So I am going there, and the port and the COM is already selected, as you can see here. So port is COM4, and yeah, it is perfect. Now just click upload button. Hence it is compiling sketch. While the code is uploading, let me tell you some interesting thing about the ESP32, that it can integrate with AI, which can be used for projects such as AI drone, which can land your drone in the preferred location by the help of ESP32. So I will be making the full series of videos on this tool that how to integrate your ESP32 with AI system. So you must subscribe to this channel right now so that you don't miss it later. Now let me tell you that how to use the boot button if your code is not uploading, or if you have problems regarding code is stuck on the connecting part. So what you have to do is that after connecting your board with your laptop, then you have to insert and copy paste your code, whatever code you have to upload, and after pasting that code, so let me show you practically. As you can see that I have pasted my code. Okay, so while pressing the upload button, you can see it is right now compiling sketch. After this, it will show you connecting in your laptop screen, and the code process will uploading started. So in that time you have to press the boot button timely. I will tell you that when to press the boot button. That first it complete the compile sketch. As you can see, the connecting part is showing, so just press the boot button right now, and then the code will be automatically started uploading. Problems like that, you have to do this, that after you see the connecting part, you just need to press immediately the boot button for 1 or 2 seconds minimum, and then you have to release that. Then the code uploading will be started automatically. This is required when you buy the new board. If this video helped you and you get some info about the ESP32 which you didn't know it later, so must like and subscribe to this channel, and you will find more electronic related videos in this channel.